My name is Alano, and this is my tutorial for AutoCAD Chapter 8, page 64, Exercise 2, Class 3A. This is my first shot at it, so don't make fun of me. We're going to try to draw this. We're going to have construction lines, we're going to have red center lines, and we're going to have hatch. And what I use for main is blue. So what you want to do, go ahead and look at this really quick. It's not as descriptive as it is in the book, but I went ahead and just over dimensioned it when I got finished. But this is kind of what you want to finish up with. So we're going to go to start, do a new drawing. Come on, command out of the way. At your command line, you want to go to annotated first. Make sure that the dimensions, the decimal points are all cued in. Go to modify, precision. I only want it at 00. Press OK. Close that. And you're going to want to start off with, go to home, go to layer properties, add a new layer. I'm going to start off, the first one's going to be main. Oh shit, MEI. Main. I'm going to do that one in dark blue. Okay, add another one. This one's going to be for my construction lines. CON. Construction, yellow. And I'll put that one with load dash. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do another one. It's going to be my red center line. So I'm going to put that one as red center. Done. Change the color. Red. Finished. And what's the last one? Oh, hatch. Hatch. I'm going to do the hatch a light blue. So we're going to have main, construction, red center, and hatch. You just close that out. Now what we're doing is the views. It's front view, side view, and top view. I'm going to start off by making that. So I'm going to choose that, choose which layer I'm using. That's going to be my main color. And it's going to be from the front view, 44 wide. So 44, enter. I'm going to shrink this down. The height's going to be at 64. And I want to make a box. When you do it, you always want to make it to where it snaps in the line. Because if you do it like this and then you press enter, it'll leave it diagonal and it'll lock it up and you have to erase it and start over. So go down 64 and then press escape. Then you press enter again for it to go back into line. But that right there is a square. And we're going to go ahead and run off that square. You go back onto it. That should snap. Oh, there you go. Let me see. There it goes. And the length of the side view is going to be 118. Enter. Drag it over. Drag it over, mother, father. The height on this one is going to be at, I think it was 16. Let me double check the book. 16 up. 16 up. Make sure it goes back on snap. It's going to be 70 long. Going inwards. From here going up, I believe it was at, I think, 24. So you'll snap that way, but in order to get it to snap back where I'm trying to get to, go to right here, and it automatically gives you that snap. So boom, click, go back down, let it snap, click, and then you're done with that. Press escape. Now the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and draw the circle that goes right here, because it's going to have that arc from the side view arc. So see which circle it's set on. Center. I'll just do a 2-point from here to here. Boom. And we're also going to have another circle on center, and that's going to be a radius of 20. So let me go ahead and do this. Center radius going from here. Oh, if it's radius, it's going to be double, so let me just make it 10. The diameter is 20, but yeah, there you go. Now what you want to do, shrink it down. We have to go ahead and do a couple of trims, trim it. So if you go from right to left, click it once, drag it, it'll select everything, click it, everything's selected, press return or enter, erase that, erase the center. Okay, now when you're done, just press escape, click on the extra line you don't need, delete, click delete. Now we also want a line, let's see, let me go ahead and jump to construction real quick. Quick line, construction. Escape, enter. You sucker. Anyhow, boom. Oh wait, I shouldn't even do that yet. Hold on. We got to do a line that's going from there. Let's go back to main really quick. So click on the color, click on the main, click on line, going from here this way, it's going to be 12. Going down, it's going to be, and again, I didn't do it. -48. this guy. And this way is going to be 20. Go back up, 48. Escape. Let's go back to trim. Okay, what we're going to trim is this. Trim, trim. Now we're going to do the top view. We'll do that with the line. Snap from here to here. Boom. Weight's going to be 118. This direction is going to be 44. Snap back to 118. Going downwards, 44. Then we also have to do the top, the sides of it. So that actually goes at 48 this way. And then the height of it going this way, I believe, was at 12. Let me double check. Yep, 12 this way. Go ahead and cut another line, 48. Okay, best thing to do right here is to go ahead and mirror it. So you select mirror, go on your objects to mirror this and this, and you want to select a center point. I don't know why it's not letting me. Oh wait, I forgot to return. Enter on me. Then select center point. Boom, enter, done. Whoops. Click done. Let's enter again as long as it's on no. And now we go to doing the center oval. I had a hard time doing this earlier, but let me go ahead and do it like this. I'm going to start off with a center line going this way to this way, just because. And in the book it says to make the oval or a rectangle starting at 22 inches or point at 22 going right here. See, escape. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make a rectangle. actually no. Let's do a line first. Let's delete this one. Try this again. So if I want it to go this way, 22 away, that right there, my friend, is where I start the rectangle at. So we'll go back to rectangle it. Go this way. And it says it's going to be 16 up by 24 wide. Okay, let's see. 24, enter, by 16, enter. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, I messed up. Delete it. Boom. Let's try it again. Rectangle. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Let's try this again. I'm gonna do it like this. $16, enter, 24, enter. Yeah, it didn't do it. Yeah, suck what I'm doing right now. Don't worry about it. You'll be alright. Okay. Line from here up. It's gonna be at height. I'm gonna go ahead and do 16, 8 up. Boom. Going this way at 24. Boom. Going down at 8. Well, no, 16. This way, 24. Oops. Backspace. I'm going up again. 8. Done. Oops, I went sideways. Escape, Control Z. Oh shoot, I deleted the whole thing. Alright, guess what? We gotta start over. Eight. 24. 16. 24. Done. No. Okay, I guess I wasn't. But anyhow, this line, need it, don't need it. You can either make an arc and go from here to here. And when you do arcs, let me go ahead and try this. Which arc do I want? Start, end, radius. Yeah, we'll try this. When you do it, I believe it says go to counterclockwise. Start, end, radius. And we want that at 8. Bam. See, if you went the other way, if you went clockwise, it'll throw the radius on the inside. Oh, well, actually, gotta pick the arc. Let's do it again. Start, end, radius. Okay, now let's say we're going clockwise. It'll put it on the inside. So whenever you do an arc, this is what I learned, that you want to do it counterclockwise, or else it'll put it on the inside like this. And what I also learned is that you can, let me see, what is it? Go right here and move it on the outside. Just in case you don't know that. I kind of didn't really know that. I'm just like learning as I go along. Now trim. Thank you. Okay, fine. Delete. Click delete. Click delete. That took me 20 minutes earlier, and it took me, okay, I'm doing better, 10 minutes today. Okay, now that we got all that we needed, what we want to do is go to the next portion, which is center lines. I forgot to use my construction, hold on. Going down, okay. Go to construction. What I'm gonna do with those is go ahead and make lines going from a view to each section. Escape, enter. Because this is going from this right here is side view, and from the side of the top view you just want to do this so it'll go to the next thing. Let's see, so you can kind of understand how the view is working. Escape, enter, bring it down, escape, enter. I already did going that way. Okay, let's go ahead and trim down as much as we can really quick from here to here. Okay, enter. And it helps you out with the view when you can see the view. One thing I did almost forget to do is we have to fillet the corners. This corners right here, this corner. Wait, no, not those corners. The bottom one. This corner where it rounds off, and these two corners right here are gonna have to get filleted at a fillet of 3. They call it fillet. To me, I say fillet because I eat fish. It is what it is. So we go to fillet. Go to the proper ones. You want to go right here. You want to go down to radius. Click on radius, hit 3, enter, then you choose the other portion that you're doing, and then you hit fillet again. Come back right here. Radius 3. Go back over here. Done. And then this one as well. Oh, the fillet from here to here. It's already in the system, so you don't have to keep doing it. So there, radius. Also, let's see, after you do that, you also want to draw the center line because there's going to be a line right here where this part's going to be at. And that I believe is 24, 48. Oh, it's 24. Do some math in my head. 20. Go back to construction. We're on construction. Hit line. right here at the end of the fillet. Press escape, enter, back to it. Okay, escape. Now what we want to do is go ahead and do our center lines. And it's going to be the red center that I chose earlier. Okay, center, annotate, center mark. After you go to annotate, you hit center mark right here. For circles, you do the center mark. Boom. Easy as that. Right here, you want to do this one. Then you do this one. And that's how you do your center mark for circle, for arcs or circles. Select circle or arc to add center mark. Now, when you want to do it center line, because you want to do center line for this as well, we're going to go ahead and from center mark, right next to it, there's center line. Now you choose a line. First, choose a line, then you choose another line, and it drops a center mark in. Boom. And I believe each time you want to keep clicking it. Pick a line, done. Oh no, will it let me? No. Let's see. Enter. Yeah. Just press enter, it'll put it back on for you. Boom, center mark. Oh, there. Boom, center mark. Boom, boom, center mark. Center mark, done. Now after we do that, what we want to do is, and make sure I got everything needed, and done. Okay, what should we do next? Should we do the dimensions, or should we do, yeah, let's do the hatch just to get it done with. We're going to the last setting, go back to the home tab, go to your layer. Now mind you, these are all layers that I made in the beginning. Go to the hatch, and I believe over here there's this first thing right next to your arc, right under your ovals. Click on hatch, then you go to I think that's it. After you click something to hatch, you want to hatch this. Whoa. Oh, something's wrong with that one. Oh, I get it. Hold on. Home. One thing I forgot to do. Center line. With the center line, I forgot. Annotate. Put a center line right here. Boom. Now, hopefully that's it. Oh shoot, wrong color. Home, hatch, center. Yeah, I think I just turned everything red. I'm going to fix that in a second. Center line. Done. Home. Go back to hatch. Right here, the hatch pattern scale, I want to go ahead and set that to 10. Enter. I don't know how I turned this red and I can't fix it. I'll get over it. Make it all light blue. Like I said, I'm a beginner. I don't know how to fix that, but you know, life goes on. I'll get over it, and I'm done with that part. Should I delete it and mess it up? Let me check. Bam, I did it right. It's my birthday today, I guess. Okay, now the next part I want to do is dimensions. When you do an arc or a circle, you want to make sure you get the square. Boom. Oh crap, I did it again. Okay, hold on. Control Z. Annotate. Instead of standard, I believe I want it on annotative. Damn, really? Literally just showed me in class and I can't get it. It's on standard. Want it on annotative. Back to home, dimensions. That'll work. That, my friend, is how you do Chapter 8, page 64 of Chapter 8, Exercise 2. Getting the dimensions in, and boom, boom, boom. Simple as hard as that. Done. Not that easy, not that hard. And hopefully I didn't cuss too much inside this one. So with that, I want to thank you very much. Come back next time. My name is T.Adriano, doing AutoCAD, Class 3, signing off.